All right, in this video, I want to show you how to save something that you've done in Notability on Google Drive. And this is going to be particularly important if you want to submit things from Notability into Canvas. So you're going to hit the square with the up arrow, and then you're going to hit Other Apps. You see Google Drive there, but oftentimes when I take this method, it doesn't work out so well and often freezes or just takes forever. So I'm going to hit Other Apps. And when I go to Other Apps, then I hit Share Notes or Share Note, and I don't need to change anything. Typically, it's in the right format. And here, I want to do Save to Files. And this is where you'll see Google Drive, and then you put it in whichever folder is most appropriate for that particular thing. All right, so in this case, I would have to save it to my Mr. Kaplan English folder. So that's how you save something from Notability to Google Drive. And in other videos, learn how to then submit something on the Canvas app.